Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today's update is on a new garden bed that I've put in. It's actually in our lawn, so I've taken out a lot of the grass and put in this raised garden bed. And the frame of the bed is an IBC Tote cage lined with straw to keep the soil from coming onto the patio, and then topped with a wire fence panel to keep the dogs out, because the dogs are actually the worst garden problem I have at the moment. They love to get in, and if mommy's digging, they are digging, and they will follow me around to wherever I go and dig up what I just planted. So I have to keep the dogs out. So this is going to accomplish this, and I'm pretty excited. I don't think my Husky is going to be able to defeat that top panel. You can tell by looking at the evidence that she was already trying to get in here. And she's shedding her coat, so don't worry. She didn't hurt herself on that, but she was definitely investigating and trying. She will break in. She will find a way to tear a fence apart to get at the garden or anything that she's very interested in. So hopefully this will do the trick. In this bed, I planted tomatoes and beans, and it's about a 4 by 4 foot space. I'll show you in a minute how I'm using the IBC totes that I bought last year to their fullest effect, and I'll show you how I'm using the cage from an IBC tote that I'm still using to collect rainwater. This is the IBC tote that I'm using for rainwater storage, and normally that aluminum cage will go all the way up to the top, but I cut that top off and used it in the garden that I just showed you a minute ago. So I got at least a 2-for-1 deal out of this IBC tote. I got a raised garden bed, and this is almost 300 gallons of rainwater, and I collected this in one night. So that's an awful lot of water, and I have 3 of those around the house collecting rainwater. So I'm getting a lot of use out of these IBC totes around the house. I've used them for chicken brooders, garden fences, wicking beds, rainwater collection, and I am considering making a chicken tractor out of another one. So it's been a very useful tool. I'll keep you posted on the progress of the raised garden bed from an IBC tote cage as we go along. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. And you'll get more updates. When you subscribe, you'll be notified when we post new videos. I will answer questions in the comments, so please leave one and give us a thumbs up if you'd like to learn more. Thanks again, and we'll talk very soon. Bye-bye.